Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with a new chapter number 22, that is Growth and Personality Development. So, here we are going to discuss 2 points, skills and efficiency, and another is development. So, before starting with the explanation part, first let's discuss the activity given on page number 115. Read the information about yourself entered in your report card and fill in the following table. So, you must have seen that in your report card, height and weight is given. So, you can see in this slide from standard 1st till standard 5th. Height and weight is given of a child. So you can see that height and weight is gradually increasing from 1st standard till 5th standard. In 1st standard you are having less height and weight, and gradually it is increasing, like in 2nd, 3rd it is different until 5th standard your height and weight is more, okay, as compared to the 1st standard, okay. All living things eat and grow physically. That we have studied in the previous lesson, that all living things are growing, okay. Similarly, we too grow in height and weight from birth to adulthood. Means what? We have studied that every person is growing, and growing years of the children is till 18 years, okay. You will see this also from the information that your friends enter about themselves. Means अगर ये टेबल आप देखोगे, so your friends height and weight may be different from you, okay. सबकी height and weight is different, okay. हर एक की physical growth में difference होता है, okay. Some of them will be more than you in height or weight, while some will be less, okay. In your class also you can see your classmates, maybe they are grown up more than you, okay, or some are less in height, okay. आपसे अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे तो आप उनकी हाइट और वेट में भी थोड़ी सी कम रहेगी या तो ज़्यादा रहती है. ऑल आर नॉट इक्वल, ओके, बट दे विल ऑल हैव gained in height and weight since they were in standard 1st or 2nd. But still, now your children, now you are in 5th standard, so you must have seen your friends that they entered in school in the 1st standard. तो वो लोग कैसे थे तब? हाइट और वेट में छोटे थे, ओके. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट, बट सबकी हाइट और वेट क्या हो रही है? ग्रो हो रही है, ओके, बढ़ रही है, ओके. दिस इज़ बिकॉज the first 18 years are the growing years for all boys and girls. Means all the boys and girls are growing up till 18 years. After 18 years height or weight बढ़ता है क्या? No, weight, maybe weight is increasing but height does not increases, okay. Now moving to the next point, we'll study skills and efficiency, okay. So children, you know that many of the skills you have learnt up till now, means you are skipping on a rope, writing essay, combing your own hair, making tea. Many of the skills you have learnt up till now. Even you are cycling or giving a speech, money counting, okay. बहुत सारे skills आपने सीखे, okay. Small babies cannot do anything for themselves. So children, maybe you have seen many of the babies, okay. Must be you have your baby brother and baby sister in your home. So have you observed them? See, small babies cannot do anything for themselves. खुद से करते हैं क्या वो कुछ? No, they are not able to do anything, okay. If they need something, they can only cry and beat about with their legs and arms. Means whenever they need anything, so they cannot speak, na. That's why what they are doing, they are tapping their legs, okay, and they are just crying and crying, okay. But soon they begin to get control over some of their movements and develop coordination between different movements. Means as gradually they are increasing now, so they are learning to do many of the things and they have control over their body movements also. Means they start to walk, first they start to crawl and then walk, stand, okay, and there is a coordination between their movements, okay. For example, they learn to turn their head and look at something they choose. Means अगर उनको कुछ चीज़ पसंद आती है तो they are able to turn their head and look over there. Okay, and if they recognize someone they smile. मीन्स अगर कोई पहचान का घर में आता है तो they smile. अगर किसी को पहचानते हैं then only they are smiling, otherwise they are crying. Unknown person को देख के they are not smiling, they are crying. Have you seen that? Yes. They learn to grip and hold things and then to take them towards their mouth. Have you seen these children? Most of the children are doing like this. Most of the babies are doing like this. Okay, they are taking something in a hand. They are and as soon as they start to learn, means hold the things. चीज़ों को पकड़ना सीखते तो they are not just playing with that. Immediately they are taking it to their mouth. Okay, as they learn to control and coordinate their movements on their own, they begin to do several other tasks. मीन्स जैसे ही उनका कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन बढ़ता है इन बॉडी पार्ट्स, दे लर्न टू डू मोर टास्क. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल पिकिंग अप थिंग्स, कोई भी चीज़ को उठा के लेना है. ओके, holding a spoon and hitting it on a plate to make a noise. So this is the famous thing among the babies. Have you seen that? And even sometime the elder persons are getting irritated with that noise, but these baby like that. Okay, उन लोग को अच्छा लगता है. They are spoon and plate को हिट करते हैं और आवाज़ जैसे उनके हाथों से आवाज़ आती है, they are feeling happy. Okay, achieving control of one's movements. To learn to do something new is called learning a skill. Means जो भी आप सीखते हो मूवमेंट, कंट्रोल मूवमेंट्स के ऊपर जैसे ही आपका कंट्रोल होता है एंड यू आर एबल टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स. ओके, न्यू टास्क, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ लर्निंग अ स्किल. ओके, what does everyone feel when a baby says her first word or takes a step for the first time? And what do they do? So children, maybe you have seen or you can ask about your experience to your mom that how the means all the family members were feeling when you started to speak few words. Okay, first word जब भी बोले थे तो क्या हुआ था आपके वक्त, तो you can ask to your elder. So maybe your mom will say you that everyone in the house was हैप्पी. जब बेबी कोई भी चीज़ फर्स्ट टाइम करता है तो ऑल द फैमिली मेम्बर्स आर बिकमिंग हैप्पी एंड दे आर मोटिवेटिंग द चाइल्ड. मीन्स सब उसको टैप करते हैं, उसके बैक पे टैप करते हैं और उसको मोटिवेट करते हैं सो दैट बेबी इज़ डूइंग दैट थिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. ओके, एज अ बेबी लर्न्स वेरियस स्किल्स द बेबी एंड एवरीबडी इज़ हैप्पी. ओके, दे प्रेज द बेबी. हर कोई उसकी तारीफ़ करता है. ही इज़ स्पीकिंग papa, okay, mama, like that. Okay, so everyone is praising them, so he is becoming happy. Okay, the baby does the same things again and again. Thus she gets a lot of practice with those skills and her strength also builds up. Means when the baby is learning new things in the house, means he is crawling, standing, okay, and playing with something, so everyone is praising the babies. Okay, and the baby is doing that thing again and again, and in this way he develops more skills and he practice with those skills again and again. और gradually उसकी strength क्या होती जाती है, बढ़ती जाती है. Okay, slowly she begins to do the newly learned task more easily and without making mistakes. First time, so you know the children first time all the babies are doing mistakes. Suppose if they are if they start to walk, so they always they are falling, but after that means after doing that things, practicing again and again, they are not making mistakes in that things. Okay, thus that is how efficiency increases. मीन्स उनकी एफिशिएंसी, इसका मतलब क्या होता है, जब वो मिस्टेक नहीं करते वो चीज़ में, इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि उनका कोऑर्डिनेशन अच्छा होता है और फिर उनकी एफिशिएंसी क्या होती है, बढ़ती जाती है. ओके, नाउ एवरी डे वी कीप लर्निंग, दैट मेक्स it easier to learn new skills. So children, we are also learning new skills every day. Now you are grown up children, so you know that many of the skills you have learned. Okay, for example, once the child is able to hold something, she can learn to throw a ball. So एक बार पहले जब बच्चा कोई भी चीज़ को पकड़ता है तो ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू होल्ड द थिंग, और वो चीज़ क्या होती है, बार बार उसके साथ गिरती जाती है. बट after that after means he is holding the things properly, so that things are not getting fall. And suppose for example ball, अगर बॉल को पकड़ना सीख जाता है तो he start to throw a ball. Okay, after learning to walk the child learns to do more difficult things like running. जैसे ही वो वॉकिंग करने के लिए सीखता है तो वो स्टॉप हो जाता है कि वहाँ पे, नो, ही स्टार्ट टू रन, ही ट्राई टू रन ऑल्सो. ओके, हॉपिंग ऑन वन लेग, एक लेग के ऊपर हॉप करना सीखता है, और कैचिंग अ बॉल. ओके, दीज न्यू टास्क ऑल्सो इंक्लूड एक्टिविटीज़ दैट आर अ पार्ट ऑफ आर of our daily routines, such as eating with one's own hands. Means gradually the baby is learning these activities कि खुद के हाथ से खाना सीखता है. Washing one's own face. Now children, you are also washing your own face, you are taking a bath and dressing yourself. Okay, so you know that these things you are doing. पहले आप लोग करते थे क्या ये? No, you was not able to do. Now you are washing your own face, you are taking a bath on your own self. Okay, अभी आप लोग मम्मी से बोलते भी नहीं हो कि ये करो हमारा. ओके, यू स्टार्टेड टू combing your hairs also. Okay, so many of the skills you have learnt up till now. Now moving to the next point is development. As we grow, our height and weight increases. Means जैसे ही हम grow होते हैं तो we know that our height and weight increase होता है. Means growth का मतलब ही होता है कि height and weight is increases and strength भी बढ़ती जाती है. With age our physical strength also increases. Means जैसे ही हम लोग फिजिकली ग्रो होते हैं तो हमारी स्ट्रेंथ भी क्या होती है, इंक्रीज होती है. ओके, at the same time we keep learning new skills, or same means you are learning new skills as gradually you are growing. Okay, in this way every individual makes progress. This is called development. Means इसको ही डेवलपमेंट बोलते हैं कि ग्रेजुअली यू आर लर्निंग न्यू स्किल्स एंड योर हाइट एंड वेट एंड स्ट्रेंथ इज ऑल्सो increasing day by day. Okay, and this is called as a development. Okay, now here in the next slide you can see observe. Try to observe a cow or a cat to find out all that she does for her young ones, and also all the things that the calf and the kitten learn to do on their own. So must be you have seen these animals, that how the cat is means वो सब सिखाते तो नहीं हैं, लेकिन उनके यंग वंस कैसे सीखते हैं, और व्हाट द कैट इज़ डूइंग फॉर किचन. जैसे कि जब वो छोटा होता है उसका बेबी, तो वो उठा के मुंह में लेके जाती है बच्चे को. ओके, तो उसके बाद फिर ग्रेजुअली वो जब वो बढ़ते हैं तो दे आर एबल टू वॉक. ओके, और उन लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्किल्स नहीं सीखते, दे आर जस्ट लर्निंग फ्यू स्किल्स लाइक टेकिंग फूड. ओके, searching for food and saving themselves from the enemies, like that. Okay, these animals learn from their mother the skills of obtaining their food, protecting themselves from the sun and rain and from their enemies. Means वो लोग कौन सी स्किल्स सीखते हैं अपनी मम्मी से, मदर से, तो मतलब ऑब्टेनिंग द फूड, खाने को कैसे मिस लेते हैं, मतलब सर्चिंग फॉर, जैसे कैट है तो कैट क्या क्या खाती है आप लोग को पता है. ओके, तो how to obtain the food, they are learning from these skills. Okay, or how to protect themselves from the sun, rain and enemies. Okay, खुद को कैसे बचाना है, ये skills वो लोग सीखते हैं. Okay, after that they begin to live independently. Means थोड़े दिनों के बाद वो अपने मदर को छोड़ देते हैं और दे स्टार्ट टू लिव इंडिपेंडेंटली, अकेले अकेले घूमते, आपने देखा होगा. ओके, animals learn only a certain number of skills in their life. In comparison, human beings go on learning many more things throughout their life. That we know, children, that is animals are not having that much skill as human beings have. So human beings के पास बहुत सारे skills हैं, and even वो he keep on learning most of the skills he keep on learning. मतलब हर चीज़ हम लोग सीखते ही जाते हैं, बहुत सारे स्किल्स हम लोग सीखते हैं. ओके, एज कम्पेयर टू द एनिमल. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फाइंड आउट हाउ मेनी ईयर्स डज इट टेक द यंग वंस ऑफ द टाइगर एलिफेंट टू स्टार्ट लिविंग इंडिपेंडेंटली. सो इफ यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग द टीवी, तो उसमें एक हाँ मीन्स एक आप लोग अगर चैनल देखते होंगे एनिमल प्लानेट और डिस्कवरी चैनल, तो इन दैट इट्स गिवन सारी चीज़ें एनिमल्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाती है. सो वी नो दैट टाइगर्स कब स्टार्ट लिविंग इंडिपेंडेंटली आफ्टर 18 months. Okay, sometime it takes 2 years or more than that, means 2.5 years. Or calf of an elephant on the other hand, so they start living independently after 6 years or sometime after 8 to 10 years. थोड़ा सा एलिफेंट के यंग वंस को टाइम लगता है, मीन्स दे टेक till 8 to 10 years also, or maybe in 6 years, or after that they start living independently. Okay, now here next one is comparison is given. You have to compare. Can you play football, lagori means 7 tiles, cook a meal, press clothes, shop for provisions, nurse a person who is ill, writing a summary. So maybe some of the skills that you have learnt and some of that, suppose 5th standard children are not cooking a meal, okay, and they are not pressing a clothes. Remaining all the things maybe you are doing or not doing, means कुछ लोगों ने सीखा होगा और कुछ बच्चों ने नहीं सीखा होगा. इट्स अप टू यू. ओके, सो यू हैव टू कंपेयर कि आप लोग ने कितने स्किल्स सीखे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज वी आर अलाउड टू ड्राइव अ मोटर व्हीकल, vote in an election only after a certain age. And what is that age, children? 18 years. means आप लोग को घर में मम्मी ऐसे बोल देंगी कि अभी नाउ यू आर इन 5th स्टैंडर्ड, तो मम्मी बोलती है कि जाओ बाइक पे जाओ और लेके आओ कुछ. नो, शी इज़ नॉट सेइंग, बिकॉज शी नो दैट what is the age for driving a motor vehicle? 18 years. And what is the age for giving vote in an election? 18 years only. means childhood में आप लोग ये कर सकते हैं क्या? No. Okay, many skills have been mentioned in this lesson up to now. Okay, can you do without learning some of them? Which ones are necessary for any person? So we know that many of the things are very necessary, like talking, walking, okay, eating. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो necessary है, मतलब सीखना ही है. Okay, and we are learning also without we are having most of the skills without learning also. Okay, so here children we will stop with the explanation part. Remaining part of the lesson I will explain you in the next session. I hope you understood this very well. Thank you.